Document Design and Working Class Rhetoric, the Hearl Maxwell Collection. Deep shaft mining was the primary mode of mining in southeast Kansas. By 1910, new technology followed for miners to remove the overburden consisting of rock and soil from the surface. Thus, the strip mining took over. The Mine Workers Union was founded to prevent harsh environmental conditions for mine workers. Looking through the documents in the Hearl Maxwell collection, document design principles were followed. The local union used a combination of document design, working class rhetoric, and professional rhetoric to achieve better working conditions for miners in southeast Kansas. Let's use Robin Williams' design principles to examine the documents in the Hearl Maxwell collection. Robin Williams' document design principles focus on contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. Contrast organizes information to clarify hierarchy and guide the reader with the information around the page and help provide focus. Studying a circular from the Hearl Maxwell collection, the header clarifies itself from the body of the circular. The header is seen at the top of the page in a different color and font to allow the reader at quick glance to be able to identify the body of the text from the header. Contrast helps with clarification. Repetition repeats a certain aspect throughout the document to allow the reader knowledge that this is a whole document. This example is a transfer card from the United Mine Workers of America. Repetition is seen in the form of the boxes around the information as well as the boxes being similar shapes throughout the document. The double lines forming the boxes are another form of repetition. Finally, lines drawn in where information is to be written is another form of repetition seen on this document from the Hearl Maxwell collection. When items are aligned on the page, the result is a stronger cohesive unit. In this example from the Hearl Maxwell collection, this coal mine ventilation document has all of the titles and headings center aligned. All paragraphs start at the left with an indentation and read left to right. This is another form of alignment. Proximity is a grouping of like items together. Like items should be kept together. The closeness of these items let the reader know what information belongs together. This coal mine ventilation cover has a grouping of like information. At the top left of this cover is the bulletin information and the trade industry series number. This information allows the reader to be able to find this edition, earlier editions, or later editions by the grouping of these items' informational numbers. Moving to the center of the cover is the title. The title is located by itself. This allows the reader to know this is the title. The text is also larger to help the reader know where the title is on the page. At the bottom of the cover is the issued information. This is the lesser of the information on the page, so it is arranged at the bottom of the page. Contrast, repetition, alignment, proximity. Typically, these four document design principles work together throughout any document produced. While Robin Williams published these document principles in the early 21st century, and mining in southeast Kansas took place in the early 20th century, the principles can still be found in the documents so many years ago.